Hello everyone, my name is Averhoff. I'm making a video proposal for a new feature in BreazeHome 5.0. The product owners for this project is Masoud Sadjadi, and the mentor for this project is also Masoud Sadjadi. So a little about myself. I'm a researcher, an undergrad researcher working at the OpenHID lab, and my current research involves gesture recognition, specifically American Sign Language recognition. So the reason for this research is so that our software can accurately detect whether the gesture that the person is doing is an A, a B, or a C. And then it's also so that the person using that software can communicate with other deaf people as well. So I've also have experience writing software in the .NET ecosystem and have a lot of experience using C#, but I've also dabbled quite a bit with Python, create a couple of automation tools using that programming language. I've worked a little bit with low-end system using C language, and I've used C++ mostly for programming competitions and such. I've also have like 1 year of experience using Unity because I've enjoyed making video games for a hobby, and I still enjoy doing that quite a bit. But my main focus as of right now is learning more about machine learning, because I want to go to graduate school to pursue a data science degree, because that's my main interest right now in the computer science field. So the main feature that I'm proposing is not in the wish list, and this new feature is called Virtual Tour. Now, what's the purpose of this? What does it solve, right? So the problem is, you can imagine that in the BreazeHome website, for every single property there are a bunch of pictures, but those pictures may not be enough information for the user to make a decision on whether to buy the product or not. You can also imagine that if the user is interested in buying a property, but it's physically impossible for them to actually be there, it might be a viable solution to make a virtual tour of that property, just so they can actually see what the property might look like. And those are the two problems that this feature aims to solve. Now, the amount of people I'll need for this proposal is 5 team members, 5 of them who are adequately have adequate experience with VR technology and OpenCV. The reason why we also need someone with OpenCV is because the method of creating the virtual tool, it basically involves taking a bunch of images, precisely ones being from the website, and stitching them together to create one huge virtual tour of the property. And we also need people who are like experienced with Python, mainly because we want to use the Django for the front end and the back end. So if you have any questions, this is my contact, and this is Sajai's contact. Thank you for listening.